Wow, look at me, I'm all bundled up. Gonna do the 9,000 foot trail, the 9K. And had a lot of rain last night, and it's cold. It's like this cold front moving in. Want to see what it looks like? Looking east, down toward Little Cottonwood, Big Cottonwood Canyons, over toward Solitude, Salt Lake City. Get that storm pushing in. These clouds are gorgeous, but it is cold, cold, cold. Not snow cold, but close to it. Hey, time to unload. There's our trail up there. Somewhere up there. I think I'm ready to do this. We're going uphill for like 5 miles. Ready for some uphill?
Always.
Is the bike ready for the uphill? That's the real question. All right. Take this. Alright, took this Empire Pass connector up here to the 9K trail, looking down into Deer Valley. Check out that chairlift, lodge. Dun, 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 Charlie's 9K. Met a woman the other day that said, I believe this was named after her father, who has since passed away. Ooh la la, I like the views looking down into Park City. Oh, so pretty! Woohoo! I forget exactly. Got some chutes. Some baby chutes. Smells good out here. I smell these trees. Riding right on the Wasatch Crest. This is cool. You get to the end of 9K, you'll get to the Wasatch Crest Trail.
That was a steep run, huh? Did you notice that? Woo! Imagine skiing down that. Woo! Gorgeous up here. Looking down at Park City. That was cool to come around the corner and just bam. What do you think? Some avalanches here? Is that what these small trees are? Check it out. Yep. Right in the avalanche path. That's what we're riding through. Woo! Glad it's not winter. Wow! Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Oh. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Love those rocks! Woo! And these are